Hello everyone, I'm Sheng Sam at 39 years old, an OFW currently working as a nurse assistant here in Riyadh. I want to share with you all everything I prepared and all the steps I took when I decided to switch careers and become a virtual assistant even when I had absolutely no knowledge about this VA work at all. But before I start, let's watch my short introductions video. I made this short video. Gusto ko lang din i-upload sa YouTube account ko since wala pa any videos here. I don't have much experience vlogging yet, but I really wanted to give it a try. So, para saan ba tong video na to? So, this video is talking about as a virtual assistant started and who are also new and just starting out as a virtual assistant just like me. Gusto ko lang i-share how I'm preparing myself for this job I chose to path. To be honest, I haven't been interviewed yet and I haven't even tried applying for a job as a PA, but I just wanted to share my preparation journey with you all as someone who is new to being a virtual assistant. And I also want to have this video to look back on para maalala ko kung ano ko dati, which is today and where I started. That's why I really wanted to record all of this. First of all, why did I suddenly decide to switch and become a virtual assistant? Kasi right now, I'm working here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia as a private nurse assistant. I've been working in the medical field for 7 years already, pero hindi pa rin nawawala yung hilig ko sa din ang gawain since 2022 kasi tumatanggap na din ako ng mga simple tasks as side business like typing, editing videos, and CV, resumes, editing. But actually, it was just recently, just this year, 2026, actually nitong April lang, when I finally decided, why don't I try being a virtual assistant? It looked like challenging naman. And to be honest, I had absolutely no idea kung ano ba tong virtual assistant job na to. I just kept seeing it pop up on my feeds, sa TikTok, Facebook, and I started asking myself, what exactly is a virtual assistant anyway? And kung ano ba yung exactly na ginagawa nila. So I took time to learn and understand it. I watched a lot of vlogs and I'm really thankful to all the content creators who share what they know. Little by little, I started learning everything habang nasa duty ako since graveyard night shift yung schedule ko. I studied how it works and what tools and skills I need to use and develop. So what I did, first step, inalam ko muna kung ano ba talaga ang virtual assistant. I learned what their tasks are and what their responsibilities are. Nalaman ko rin mostly this is remote work or work from home. Then second, I familiarize myself with the common tools na ginagamit like Google Docs, Google Sheets, Trello, and Canva. Pinag-aralan ko muna kung paano gamitin ang mga yan. Step number 3, gumawa ko ng CV. I already had one before, pero it was more focused on my healthcare background. Kaya gumawa ko ng bago. Since wala pa akong formal experience sa field as a BA, nilagay ko doon na starting from 2022, I have already been taking on freelance tasks. Nilagay ko rin lahat ng skills na kaya ko naman gawin. For me lang naman, alam ko na madali lang naman matutunan mga yon. Kaya nilagay ko na lang. I'm not saying you should make things up, but for me, this was my way because I am confident that I can actually do them and learn them quickly. So, gumawa na rin ako ng portfolio. Natutunan ko lang din yung ideyang yan from those vloggers at mga kapwa virtual assistants who share how important it is. And the fourth step things I did, little by little, I also practiced and trained myself using these tools. I tried making different design using Canva, and I also practiced doing tasks like data entry na ginagawa ko as a freelance. Ginamit ko din yung routine records ko dito as a nurse assistant, like the list of medications and vital signs of my patient. I organized and recorded all these details using Google Sheets para lang mas masanay pa ako sa paggamit ng mga tools na yan. So the fifth step, I created accounts on different job platforms and websites like LinkedIn, JobPH, and Indeed, so many more. I downloaded their apps and set up my profile there. Now, different opportunities are already showing up for me. Remote work, work from home, full-time positions, part-time, and many more. So when I started checking and when these opportunities and job hiring started popping up for me, makikita mo talaga as in na nakalagay doon 100 applicants already click for this job, things like that. So, may isip mo talaga, ang dami naman pala, ang daming nag-a-apply. And you probably think, baka hindi din ako matanggap kasi ang daming nagpapasa ng applications. But of course, I also realized something. Bakit ka papaapekto? Di ba? these numbers are everywhere from all over the world. Marami lang talagang naghahanap ng work as a virtual assistant. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is stay positive, believe that there will always be an opportunity coming your way, and remember, marami pa rin companies na tumatanggap at willing mag-hire ng beginners. So, don't lose hope kasi lahat naman ng successful BA nagsimula rin bilang beginners. Dumaan din sila sa proseso niyan like us. So, for me, ang importante lang is do what you love and keep doing it. Just try and try, right? That's also the reasons why I don't want to give up my current job yet, which is as a nurse assistant. For me kasi hanggat hindi pa ako nakakuha ng work as a virtual assistant na masasabi ko talaga na eto na yon, kailangan kong itodo na stable, ganyan. So right now, what I'm doing is preparing everything na kailangan sa interview. I'm also getting ready with all the possible questions and answers. And nanonood pa din ako ng mga vlogs about what questions na tinatanong when applying as a virtual assistant, which is depende pa din yun sa magiging client. But still, I really want to make sure I'm fully prepared. I also hope na mai-record ko din yung magiging actual interview ko. So, I can upload it here on YouTube too. I want to be able to help people who are just like me, those who are searching for information on how interviews work and what to expect. I just want to share at makatulong because just like me, you are here and watching this video because you also search for the same things and want to learn, right? So, that's why I really want to record and upload all of this. Sana we all succeed in what we are aiming for. So sa ngayon, hanggang dito na lang muna dahil ayoko na masyadong mahabang videos. Again, I'm Sheng Sam from here in Saudi Riyadh. Thank you so much for watching. Please take care always and God bless us all. Yalla bye!